So like yeah, let's say so import thread. So let's say like def um, like stack blocks. Uh, we'll say or we'll so I don't know. This would be like block q. Oh, I shouldn't have called it block. I shouldn't have called them blocks. um, I'll call them bricks. Stack bricks. This is the brick queue. Uh, brick with 1K. And so, oh, what is this? Yeah, face down. Yeah, that sounds good right now. Uh, and so what are we gonna do here? We're just gonna sleep. Oh yeah, so import time. Uh, import time. Time dot sleep for I don't know like 3 seconds, and then brick q dot set. Wait, what was the what was it that we do with queues to like put things in them? Put, right? Okay, put put I don't know like that is our brick. Uh, right. So oh yeah. So brick q is a queue. Wait, how do we initialize these? Yeah, just queue. Oh, max size. Max size. Oh, max size. If max size is less than or equal to 0, the queue size is infinite. So there is an infinite. Okay. Whoops. All right. Right. So queue. Right. Okay. Uh, that's helpful at least. Okay. And then so what was the other thing I was gonna do? Oh yeah, yeah. So the definition of like toss bricks is brick queue. Time dot sleep. Let's only sleep like 2 seconds. Actually, let's not sleep at all. Now that I think about it, let's just brick queue. Oh yeah. So right. So this is where we're going to try. We're going to try. We're going to try brick queue dot get. Yeah. Wait, what are you unhappy about? Why is it giving me a squiggly line here? Oh, you expect the accept. You are not happy without the accept. All right. Well, don't do anything. We literally don't want to do anything in the accept case. So yeah. So like stack thread equals thread or equals thread dot start new thread stack bricks. Oh yeah, I guess I should oh yeah, right. So print, I guess print brick q dot get. Okay, so yeah. Oh, stack bricks, no arguments. Doop doop. And then and then so toss thread equals whoops toss thread equals thread start new thread start new thread stack or no, excuse me, not stack bricks, toss bricks, and then no arguments. Okay, so let's see what this does. Didn't like that. Q is not defined. Oh, do I have to like import Q or something? Libq, yeah. Import Q. Whoops, import spelled correctly. Doop-a-doop. Alright, let's try that. Still, what? Module is not callable. Oh, is it q.q or something? Oh, q.q. Sure. Unhandled exception. Oh, exception, right. Right, forgot about that. Doop-a-doop. What now? Why are you not giving me a line number? Oh, right. Wait, what? Process finished. Oh, well, alright, so then, while true, I know, this is the dumbest script. I just want it to... Oh, whoops. I should put the while loop after I start the other threads. Yep. I know this is the dumbest script, but it's my dumbest script. Alright, so save this. Stack bricks takes exactly one argument. Oh, yeah, right. I forgot. You know, I was supposed to have an argument for these. It was supposed to be the brick queue. Doop-a-doops. Alright. Now what? Second arg must be... Oh, yeah. Wait, really? Alright. Sure. How's that? Happy now? Yeah, look at it. We're stacking bricks. We're stacking bricks. Every 3 seconds we get a new brick, right? Right? We should be getting a new one every 3 seconds. What? What is this? We only got 1 brick. What the brick? What the brick? That's not exciting. It's not exciting at all. So is this thread just like dying on the exception? Oh no! Oh, I'm an idiot. Right? No. No. It was only supposed to get us. It was only supposed to give us 1 brick. Yeah, because I forgot to make these threads loop. So while while true. All right, now we should stack bricks. Now our brick stacking. Now our brick stacking script should work out great. Doop-a-doop. All right. Brick stacking bricks. Every 3 seconds we get a new brick. Every 3 seconds we get a new brick. Yay! Look at those bricks. All right, so that works. All right, I just wanted to make sure that that this worked like I imagined it would, and that there wasn't going to be like a weird gotcha at the end, because we spent all day yesterday only to find a weird gotcha. So, empty loop, yeah, yeah. I know empty loops are not the best thing in the world, so yeah, maybe I should stop that. It's just like I don't know. Oh yeah, maybe I didn't actually need that one, right? It's because it's just because I didn't make the other. It's because I didn't make the other. I didn't make the other ones looping earlier. Yeah. All right. So. What the what? Yeah. I guess I can. I guess. Yeah. So that works well enough that I can. If it's slightly less. Like. Not like pessimistic. Oh no, it really does. It really does conclude if I don't have that while loop. All right, so apparently I need like. Fine, I'm just gonna say so. Yeah, I should do something slightly less egregious, so I'll just say like time sleep like 5,000 because you're not the important part of the script. Uh, uh, so yeah, so now I can stack bricks and sleep. Brick stacking and sleeping. Yay. Alright. Sorry. I just like that script. It's my favorite. It's my new favorite script. Alright. So with what we have in the other with what we have going on so far, I'm at least fairly certain at this point that it'll probably work, right? It'll probably be like uh well, that's a good question. Like what it'll be is the remaining is the lingering question, but it'll be like a at least a workable whatever. Oh yeah, and so it didn't like it not having the try, or it didn't it yeah, so the thing I learned from that other script is that if I have try, I have to have the accept. But I don't have to put anything in the accept. Accept exception, and we can just put an empty string there. Yeah. I don't know why that's necessary, but all right. Uh, so, uh, now we can do what? When does cooldown happen? When does cooldown happen? I don't know. Oh, my fan is still running. I don't know. It doesn't usually last very long. How loud is that? Is that like really loud for you guys? Like, because for me, like I can barely hear it, but like, I guess like since the microphone and the fan are both inside the computer, maybe it's a lot louder for you guys. I don't know. All right. Let's. I kind of want to just leave the script running. No, I won't. All right. Yeah. Okay. So that queue is now set up. So I'll change like the other things to be queues, like the other things that are not queues that probably should be queues, I guess. So import queue. Yeah. So what are the examples here? So like DQ. Yeah. So like all of the. Actually, maybe I'll look at the thing about priority queues, because like that's kind of interesting. Like if it works like how I kind of like think it will, then like so constructor for priority queue, max size is integer. So yeah, so lowest valued entries are retrieved first. The lowest valued entry, excuse me, typical pattern. Oh, okay. Oh, sure. So I can just like set a priority based on the first item, or the first index. But what about things that are the same priority? Because I only have 4 priority levels. So like, does that mean that like? So like, yeah. So let's say I'm like adding things. So if I'm adding things in 4 different priority levels, will they come out other than priority? Will they like? Will they? Will they maintain their like chronology? Because I don't know. Because I do like I do still want it to be like first in first out, but I want it to be first in first out with priority. Maybe I should just use 4 separate queues, because like that's like kind of how it had it set up before. Yeah, I'm just gonna like change like what I have to just use queues instead now. Okay. Uh, so let's so where is it? So like yeah, so like the DQ for example. DQ wait, oh yeah, so the DQ we're basically just going to change what it is, right? So we can just change from append to put, and so from append you're changing to put, and same here, put, put. Wait, DQ? Actually, DQ. DQ is the one we don't have to change. Because DQ is 100% data. Oh, no, no, no. No, we do have to change it, right, because, like, we manage it entirely on one thread, but we do, it does ultimately get used on another thread. All right, so DQ is now Q dot Q, yeah. And so these are all Q dot Q now. Do do do. Oh, and huh. It just occurred to me like sometimes we take things out of one of these queues and we put them immediately back into this queue. Oh wait, the wait, one of these is not a queue. Oh wait. No, where am I? Oh no, no, no. No, wait, wow, wait, what? What is this? Did I forget to indent? I must have forgotten to indent this part because this is part of the data thread. Yeah, this. Oh yeah. I think I moved the stuff around and I just forgot to indent it because this is actually not the part where I make it q.q or whatever. This is the part where I This is the part where I wait, where am I going? I'm going down to here. Yeah. Wait, how much of this is indented? Wait, some of this is indented already. Some of this is appropriately indented. No, wait, no, it's not. I lied. None of this is appropriately indented. So I should be indenting this. Do. Yeah, I should be indenting all of this. Okay, just checking. Right, this is, yeah, no, this is actually not the place where I'm supposed to be saying to be queue. This is actually, this is where I make them global. Do. Global, yeah, okay. So, and there are queues now. So I don't need to make these queues. Whoops, wrong key. Let's, let's continue as such. Thank you, Killer Key. Let's save that. And so the act keys. Yeah, right. So this is all good. All right. I was updating DQ. So let's go to the next instance. DQ. This is the part where we this is the part where we make them keys. So equals q dot q qq qq. Sorry. Copy, paste, paste, and yeah, this one's just a list actually. This one isn't a queue. This one's all local data. All right, so yeah, so let's continue on. DQ, right? So now instead of DQ, oh yeah, okay. So now we do this differently. Right, we say. Right, because this is another case where we try to pop off of this list. So try, I'm just going to like rewrite it mostly. Try and then except, I guess, yeah, oh, so except exception. Is a, it's like, it's super dumb because like in all of these cases, the exception is just like, or the except case is just, like I really feel like there's got to be a better way to be doing this, but like, it mandates the accept case. It's like, come on. Okay, so, uh, right, so in this case we say dq dot get. So you're right, so cdd equals dq dot get, and then, so then we'll say if cdd, we'll say like most of the stuff that we tend to say. Oh, wait a second. Oh, yeah, no, you know what we can do? We can say, we can say try, yeah, because we're gonna, we want to go through this list until we get to one with karma q value as true. And, so, the, what we can do, I guess, is we can just say like while true, and then just like plan on hitting the exception eventually. We can just bank on hitting the exception, because we will hit the exception eventually if we keep saying get 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 get. Um, oh yeah, the thing that oh man, yeah, one thing that's kind of dumb though is like there's this case where I like reappend the item to the end of the list if like hmm. Oh yeah. Should I just do that again? Oh no, if I, oh shoot. That's awkward. Uh maybe maybe instead of like using the queue here, maybe I should be like emptying the queue into, like maybe I should be emptying all these queues into like a different list that I would use locally. So instead of converting DQ to be this queue, I could just populate the DQ that we'd had previously with this data instead. That might be that might be the better approach. Yeah, let's try that instead. All right, so undo, 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 undo. Yeah, actually, I mean, I guess I'll put these back to lists too. Um, and and then we'll just have. Oh yeah, okay. So well, actually, we oh, and we only need one queue now. Um, we'll just have like the. Oops. We'll just have the. We'll just have like the. Like I'll call it the QQ. No, that's weird. No, it'll be I don't know, like noteworthy adventures equals q dot q. Right. So so when we had yeah, instead of like all these global queues, whatever, we'll just have global noteworthy adventures, noteworthy adventures, and right. So the place where so like DQ, yeah. Let's go to those other places where we reference DQ and right. So instead of DQ put, it will be wait. How come it's lower in this case and it's not lower in the other cases? Seems sketchy. I think it's supposed to be. Yeah, wait, why would that be? I don't think that's supposed to be the case. Um, oh, wait. Oh yeah, yeah. No, this one's just a remnant. It is lower in all cases, but this one's just I forgot to update this one, but I did. Yeah, because at a certain point I made it so that they all automatically get put to lower. Yes, I believe. I don't know. Maybe we'll find out. um, wait, li dot split. I don't like the order of that. I'm gonna lower it before I split it. It doesn't, cause like, I don't know. That order just makes more sense to me, I guess. I don't like necessarily. I don't know if that's like a necessary thing per se, but that just makes more sense to me to do it that way. So I'm gonna. It's my prerogative. Okay. Right. Yeah. Okay. So noteworthy adventures. Instead of DQ. Uh, so right. So now. Yeah, we're gonna say noteworthy adventures. Noteworthy adventures dot put, and it's not going to just be the it's not going to just be the just li. It'll be li, or it'll be a list of li and actually I'll do it the other way around. I'll say d and li. Li is the name of the adventure, and D is the priority of noteworthy adventures. So we're just going to we're going to use the list of noteworthy adventures to populate the other lists, and that way we don't have to change how the other lists work. We just kind of send that data along. Okay, so again, this is yeah. I'll just like replace those lines with this whole thing because that'll be easier than retyping it. Okay. Right, so are there the references to DQ? Yes, there's this one as well. Oops. Save that, and then that might be all of them. DQ, oh, DQ.append. Really? Oh, wait, no. This was part of the messaging system, which, wait, really? Why did I have this here? That seems redundant. Didn't I have the add karma message? Oh, well, no, I don't have it anywhere here. Oh, had I cut... Huh. Had I really cut, those references to DQ? Maybe. Yeah, I guess I had from the other... No, I hadn't. Oh, it was just redundant. Yeah, I think that was pretty redundant. Because, like... I guess for some reason despite the fact that I was calling add karma... I mean, I must have been calling add karma here, right? Yeah, add karma. I was calling add karma, but I was like... I was adding them to the queue twice. What should I do? Like, which of those should I actually be doing? Just... I think the other place was correct. I think this is the one that's not necessary. Add karma? Add karma doesn't even go by player anymore. No. Yeah, no, that's silly. Okay. Get rid of that. Sorry. Okay, yeah. So I think that's all the references to the DQ. Right, so now this DQ, it will work. Like, I'm not populating it yet. I'm not populating it with noteworthy adventures, but I guess I can do that now. So where should we do that? I guess just like, yeah, we should just do it like kind of all the time. Try, I mean, we could just do like one per frame or like, because they're not going to be coming in very fast. It's not like we ever need more than one per frame. Yes, and it's not like, yeah, the most we could ever really use is one per frame. So, nah. Nah, whatever. I'll just say while true. Since I kind of have to hit these exceptions, I think I'm gonna have kind of fun hitting these exceptions. I'm just gonna put in like a bunch of while true, and because I know it's gonna break eventually because we're gonna hit an exception. So why not? While true. Um, hey, on error resume next. How's it going? I don't know. I I don't know. I was thinking I might do Ludum Dare, but then I just did a jam like 2 weeks ago, so I don't know if I need to do another one immediately. Um, I guess we'll find out. Yeah, I don't have exact plans to do it or not to do it yet, so we'll see. All right, so while true, I want to run the brick lane thread, or I want to run the script again, um, for no particular reason. Okay, so while true, uh, we'll say oh yeah, we'll say so CDD or like we'll say like NADV uh, or like NTADV just no, we can use NADV. NADV equals oh no, yeah, it's not really NADV. Yeah, whatever, this is fine. Okay. Yay, look at our Bricklane script. Okay. Uh, sorry. Um, uh, NADV. All right, that's enough bricklaying. Okay. Equals noteworthy adventures. Noteworthy adventures. Dot get and then we'll say if NADV index 0 equals I'm going to go in order of frequency. So A is going to be the most frequent. If NADV index 0 equals equals or yeah, so this is an else if and add equals, what's the next most frequent? Join or join, yeah. Else if and add index 0 equals level up, and then lastly L if and add index 0 equals D. That's the least frequent. And so in each of these cases, it's just a matter of like which queue we append this to. So so in this case, AQ equals or AQ dot append the yeah is this right? It just occurred to me like if if we populate blah, 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 if we populate these lists as such, kind of like one of the things we talked about yesterday when looking at a lot of the 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 way name tags are set up is that like it's kind of important that like if we're queuing an adventure to like be on these lists, like we'll kind of want to make sure that like the reason they're on this list has been established. And so then like why are we not sending that data over at the same time? Like why is this noteworthy adventures queue not also the way that we send like the pertinent data? Like they're getting on the action queue because they gained experience, but like why are we not also at the same time? Like why are we I guess it's fine. I guess that's fine because like the no, it just seems weird. I feel like I should kind of change it over. Like, uh, yeah. Well, I guess I'll just do this for now because like I basically written already. But it just seems weird to me. So I'll probably want to rethink that in the not too distant future. All right, so in this case, it's actually the JQ. In this case, it is go away. In this case, it is the LQ and go away. And in this case, it is the DQ. Okay. So, yeah, right. So all right. So I guess now it's just a matter of updating the, like, so LQ. So let's go to LQ dot append, because like these again. Or no, those ones stay the same. Those ones stay the same. These ones stay the same. Yeah. This one changes. Wait a second. Oh no, this one stays the same because it's on the same thread. Do we not do the? Okay, here we go. Wait a second. Again, this is like. So this is redundant, right? Yeah, this one's definitely redundant. Was I just phasing out the LQs altogether? Because I feel like I kind of accomplished that, whether I intended to or not. Weird. Uh, yeah. All right. Let's look at the. Let's look at the not the JQ. Yeah, the JQ. Not here. Here. Yeah. Right. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. All right. I think I want to just change these. I think I don't care how I used to do them. I think I just want to do them a different way instead. Like, is there any reason that, like, we have to send that data over separately? Like, I can't think of it. Yeah, so I think I'm just not gonna. I'm not going to. Yes, if this looks like Python, that's probably because this is Python. Yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of the queues altogether. No, I'm not gonna get rid of the queues. I'm gonna get rid of Noteworthy Adventures. Which is funny because I just put it in, but Noteworthy Adventures. So oh, this is the one I was gonna get rid of as well. This is like I'm in such a state today. Such a wonderful state. Um, uh, let's let's there's no like good way to go about this. Cause like if I go from the diff lists, I'm only gonna get like half the things. But if I like don't go by the diff lists, then like I basically have to like well yeah, and then I have to like I don't know. Whatever. I'll just like I'll use the diff list later to check my work. And also I can like borrow things from it as needed, I guess. I don't know. Alright. Yeah, because like little changes like this, whatever. Uh Alright, so, so yeah, so Noteworthy Adventures, I'm literally just getting rid of it. I don't care. Karma Q equals true. That seems vestigial. Karma Q equals true? No. No, that's vestigial. That's leftover. If li, so then wait, but those were both of the terms that were in this if li not in session top. Wait, why was Where am I? For I mean the thing that I need yeah is so like I need this graphics messages business here. Um, so I guess before I do other things, I could put this back in and oops. Doop-a-doop. Oops. Uh, Karma list. Oh, add karma list. Right. Yeah. Hold on. Wait. I'm not actually. Wait a second. Oh, is this? Wait, was this supposed to be unindented? Here it was indented. If TD read not equal all time top raw. Oh, whoops. This wasn't supposed to be unindented here. Or this wasn't supposed to be indented here. This is supposed to be unindented. Um. Okay. Yeah. Cause right. So. All right. Likewise. Um. Yeah. The this add karma list. Like this is something that I'm gonna look at the diff from yesterday. Because like I said, it could be helpful for some like reference stuff. Um, so no, this is the part that we were dealing with karma. Um, the gist is yeah. So this like this add karma. Wait, where is it? Yeah, the add karma list. I need to. Yeah, that's something that I need to be keeping track of. All right, so just checking. What was the format of it that I used before? I guess it was like. Wait, I was just looking at that. Um, how do I keep calm with the Python on the lease? Uh, oh, how do I keep all of this in my head at once? Practice, I guess. I don't know. It's my job. Oh yeah, so karma list was well yeah, I'll just I can keep this same way of appending it. So this was when we yeah, so when we increment the all time karma uh wait, where would you do that? Part where we increment the all time karma. I swear it was in here somewhere. Uh yeah, here it is. So we right, so at this juncture whoa. Oh whoops. Why is there that plus sign there? Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. So at the time that we oh, and this is supposed to be indented. All right, so oh yeah, so we have to so right before we do this loop, we have to say add karma list list equals an empty list, and then we do that loop, and then as we're going through this loop, our name yeah our name player dictionary our name dot karma history uh, and float line one. Oh yeah, yeah, and then these three values get sent through. Yeah. So right. So adding the player to the noteworthy adventures business, like as well as adding them to this karma list and then shipping over the karma list, like that just felt so redundant that I just could not tolerate it. So okay, that's better. Noteworthy adventures, yeah. So let's just get rid of these, and then like the karma queue thing, yeah, that's also redundant. So we can just get rid of like these whole big chunks here. Um, yeah, just strictly not necessary. Uh, all right, and then and then the rest of those values I think were okay. Yeah, all time top min, 30-day top. Yep, 30-day top min, all time top. Yep. Okay. Good. 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 So that's yeah. Save that, and then right. So let's just get rid of noteworthy adventures like all together. Global noteworthy adventures go away. Do noteworthy adventures go away. No, we're down to this whole chunk. Yeah, I know. I literally just wrote this, but whatever. It can go away too. Okay. So, um, oh, what is this? Why is there just a random quotation mark here? That's not supposed to be there. All right. So, yeah. Let's check that the cues are like. Yeah, I guess start by putting in the messaging for the cues, or like, I don't know. I could just like go through the whole messaging list. Because like basically all of these are going to be the same. Like I have destination. So speaking of like keeping things straight in my head, uh, I like this is probably like the greatest challenge I've ever had in terms of like keeping things straight in my head because I'm not thinking of there's now like three different versions of the project that I have in my mind, and there's the there's the original way that the that it was set up. There's the way that we set it up yesterday, and there's what we're trying to accomplish today, which is like a hybrid of the two. And so like I don't know, like warping one into the third one using the second one is like weird. So if what I'm working on is especially obtuse today, please feel free to ask questions. Please ask all of the questions, because uh, I like this is more confusing than I typically deal with, and I'm happy to fill you in if you ever feel lost, because I feel lost most of this time too. So I can at least we can at least be lost together. All right, so yeah, the destination business. Ugh, I like just wrote this stuff this morning, which is really annoying. It's like just especially annoying. I'm really tempted to just like leave this all for another day, but like, what are the odds that another day I'll actually like figure it all out and untangle it and like get it working again? um, Seems slim to no chance of that ever possibly happening. We'll see. Um, all right, so let's let's yeah, I'll do the other cues. I'm just like nervous about the other cues. I worry about them. So like okay, so we basically bashed DQ. So it's like, oh no, okay, there is one thing that we haven't done with DQ yet, which is when we add karma, not there. Hey, that's the new follower notice. Uh, Raymond AR, welcome to the channel. Thank you very much for following. um, so yeah, when we're adding karma, so if li in player dictionary, yeah, okay, so karma q equals true. Yeah, okay. Was this the place where we had the did we have like the thing earlier where this is where we did dq dot append? Yeah, because I was mistaken. This is in fact the correct place for it. So dq dot append li index 0. Whoops. Yeah, that was actually how that goes. Okay, so yeah, so now similarly like aq not karma q, aq. So where is this? Add experience. Yeah, once again. Oh man. Let's yeah, like before. Okay, so I know I want to edit this part, but I know I want to edit it like my current goals and like my goals from yesterday. So let's go to the script from yesterday and I guess like apply those changes first, because I'm not gonna forget. Well, I mean, I could forget what I'm working on, but it's less likely that I'll forget what I'm working on. It's more likely that I'll forget what I did yesterday that I'm not currently thinking about, but that will become important at some point. Um, a lot of these things, like, they feel like I've done them already, so I could very easily forget to do a lot of these things. My brain is like, don't worry about that. that's clearly probably done already, probably, or something. I don't know. um, so yeah, so where's the add experience section here? Wait, what lines are we at? Oh no, the line numbers all changed. Uh, yeah. Maybe I should just maybe I should just go from this first. Maybe. Whatever. I feel like doing whatever at this point. Like I really don't care what I do or in what order. All right, cool. So let's go to the ban command. Uh, I mean, this is probably really dangerous what I'm doing here, but whatever. I'll deal with that on Monday. Oops. Okay. So, yeah. So the difference between yesterday and today is that it's graphics message dot put. Right. Put is how we put things on a queue. Right. Put. Yeah. Okay. Uh, yeah. So then, what was the next thing that we did? So yeah, there's ban, there's unban. Do. So for. Oh wait, is that where we put it yesterday? Player dictionary name banned equals true. Graphics messages. Oh no, I mean yesterday we did it. We did it a different place, but like, I don't think it's necessarily wrong to put it there. Yeah, I mean the only difference yesterday was that we just put it down here. Or, no, where was it? It was like down here, I guess. Same difference though. If name in comm lines, if name not in comm lines one, wait. Oh yeah, because is there a difference here? Like, is there a reason that we would want to do like if name not? What does name not in comm lines one even mean? This is where am I? I probably want to do it regardless. Oops. I feel like I'd want to do this regardless. Um, yeah, sure. Alright, whatever. If that's broken, I'll find out at some point. And for now, I'll just assume it's not broken. Alright, so unban. Same deal. Why was it indented to that level? I feel like it shouldn't have been. Whatever though. Alright, so, let's, where was I? Right, yeah, so I'm just gonna, whatever, I'll just, like, integrate these changes and then, that, like, that sound is really how I feel right now. It's just a very, it's just, I keep making that sound because it's so accurate. Oh, have I got any weekend plans? Yeah. Big plans. Oh, I'm dog sitting this weekend. Yay, dog sitting. Um, uh, no, at this point, like the future doesn't even really exist. Like, there's only this moment, and it's awful. Unfortunately. Um, all right, what is this? This is oh, this is rename. This is like for renaming the player. So when we with the name command, where did we stick this? We stuck it like right before henceforth. Doo-doo-doo. Be nice if those like little plus signs weren't there. Wait, why were these ones indented? Probably because of an oversight. What the heck does name not equals comm lines even mean? If not, if name not equals comm lines. Oh yeah. Wait. What? If name not equals. Oh yeah, no, that was stupid. It shouldn't have been indented like that. Yeah, no, that was stupid and shouldn't have been the case. All right, well, at least we fixed a bug. Um, all right, so let's let's continue. So what is this one? This is oh, this is for the other name commands. This is for the wait, why are there two name commands? Oh yeah, there are two name commands. There's the name and there's the unname, or like revert to original name commands. Yeah. Oh wait, was it comm lines 1? Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Good. Good and yes. And good. Okay. Sorry. Like I said, this is really disorienting. Alright, so what is this about? SayQ? Oh yeah, this is like getting rid of part. Getting rid of dot part. Yeah, I guess I should do that again. I'll do that now. Dot part. Yeah, I think this was exactly what I was looking at. I'm getting rid of dot part from data because like dot part. I'm fighting back the apathy so hard right now. I really like I really just want to say like for literally everything, like everything sucks and I hate it, and like every time I like go to explain something I want to say like because stupid and no one cares and like shut up and like oh, the apathy. The cold sweet apathy. Um where are we? What is this? This is when we load the player data. So what is this business about? Oh, part equals false. Oh. No. We can get rid of that. Part. Right, so yeah, so, oh yeah, okay, so this is that thing that I did yesterday where I went through and I just like got rid of all these references to parts. And, right, so where there are these conditions that like, if this, then whatever, we can just get rid of these conditions altogether. So this can just like go down to like that, and then so yeah, so again, like all of these big grand conditions just melt away. Just melt away. So more conditions, melty conditions, liquid conditions, molten conditions. Sorry, just making sure that indented correctly. Ugh. All yesterday, I was like, "This is excruciating. I hate this." Or not literally, but all yesterday I was like, this is really painful and difficult, and I don't like this one bit. But I just have to slog through it, and then I'll never have to do it again. That's what I kept telling myself. That's what I told myself to get through all that stuff. I just had to do it that one time, and never again. Nope. I lied to myself. Uh, so the moral of the story is that I am a terrible liar and everything is horrible and I hate everything forever. Okay, so now down here in the graphic side of thing, I can get rid of the quit dictionary. Wait, yeah, there's no quit dictionary, so yeah, we don't have to care if there. Wait. We don't care if there's an event on. What? We don't care if there's an event on. What? Really? We don't care if there's an event on. We're not supposed to remove players from the. Well, I guess, yeah, no, we don't care if there's an event on. We don't remove players from the event. We don't remove players from the game if they're participating in an event. Even if they leave before the end of the event, we wait until the end of the event to remove the player. And so, like, when we separated the graphics from the game, though, we just kind of, I guess, yeah, we just literally don't care about that because, so there's no quit dictionary to reference here, so, um, you know why I don't want to be writing in Python right now? You know why I keep thinking, like, I should write this in a different language? Is because, like, another language would be telling me about all of my variables that have moved around, and, like, it would be so much easier to tidy this all up. I mean, granted, there are trade-offs, right? But I guess I'm just used to that. This is the first time I've had to majorly refactor something in Python, and let me tell you, I hate it. um, yeah, maybe that's why I'm so irritable. Is that, like, in a language where with, like, scope, like any concept of scope, like any practical concept of scope, um, like all these variables would know like how they needed to get updated, and they would tell me, and I could just go through and, like, bang bang bang, and I wouldn't have to worry about missing any. That's the thing that irks me, is that, like, if I miss one, it could be like an obscure bug, like, that doesn't reveal itself for, like, until, like, months from now, and that's awful, and I hate it, and is dumb. Uh, excuse me. So, I mean, it's not too late to just, like, give up on all of this stuff again. Or, like, I mean, the other thing I could do, like, I should at least finish this experiment to try it to see if it works. But, like, the other thing I could do is, like, instead of just making this, like, one other thread, I could do other things. Like, this isn't, like, the only way to reformat my project if I felt like reformatting my. Excuse me. Sorry. Um, yeah, there are a lot of different things I could do there. Ugh. Ugh. Why does it have to be Friday? I feel like this could at least be better on a Monday to, like, hit something like this, because, like, I've been working all week. I don't want to work through the weekend. But, like, if I leave this till Monday, like, there's basically zero chance that I'll remember, or, like, that I'll be, like, in a good state to, like, pick up with what I've done so far and what I'm trying to do. So, sorry. I'll try and stop making that noise, but I'm making that noise in the interest of honesty, I guess. Alright, what is this? This is like um uh, yeah, what was I these little asides that I have to, like, lament about, like, my condition. Um uh uh I like lose track of what I had been working on before. Oh yeah, no, I was getting rid of part. I was getting rid of part. I was getting rid of part from the other thread, and I was getting rid of quit dict from this thread, I guess. So right, so if part, then we can just say if players wait fade time. No, we don't care about fade time here either. We can literally just say if part, just like go for it, just like go, just kill that player, just like murder time. Um, sorry, I'm getting a bit dark. But no, like in the graphics thread, like we don't have to care about any other condition for removing the player from the simulation. We can just if it's time for them to go, it's time for them to go. All right, yeah, and so if we add player, that's when part gets set to be false. If we remove the player, that's when part gets set to be true. And is that all the references? No. Wait, where are we now? Oh no, that is now all the references. Yeah, they're now only those 3 references. Yeah. Oh wait, did I? No, this is good. Yeah, okay, this is good. Okay. So good then. And yes, and so on and so forth. Let's move on with the diffs that we were looking at before, I guess, because like I'd now done all the part stuff, whatever. All right, part was that one, and then like this. What is this about? Oh yeah, that was just this is like a bug fix that I put in, which was All right, so let's might as well re-implement it or like do it again. So yeah, so it's if it's greater than 2 or the length of research, or no, sorry, and the length of research is less than or equal to 3. Because it occurred to me, I imposed like an upper restriction on the number of action tags that we can have for a given event, and it's this. It used to just be that there has to be 2 or more, but there's now exactly 2 or 3. Those are the only 2 options. So, yep. Now I can't accidentally break the game using my whatever. Oh right, and so then the error message is no longer not enough action tags. It's invalid. Oops. It's invalid number of action tags. And I guess I might as well print research here so I know, in case there's like a weird, I don't know, whatever. It's more information. Information is not typically a bad thing. So what is this LPC? Oh yeah, LPC int. Right, because this is the part of like the redefinitions of the players. So I guess I should do this. So let's go to add exp. So LPCT int LPCT. Oops, L underscore PCT int doop. I think I probably will stick with my new definitions of like the adventure and the G adventure, although I might do it the other way around or something. Jordan Swag, hey, how's it going? Welcome. All right, so is this? No, this is. Where's the part where we're adding experience? Yeah, add player. Well, yeah. I mean, I guess this is another place to. All right, so L underscore PCT level percentage integer as an integer equals 0, and so right. So player dictionary. Well, for one thing, these references to player dictionary are going to change, but for another thing, we're getting rid of the LPCC int from this instance of the player dictionary. So right, that's what this change is about. Because yeah, it's just going to be LPTC instead. Because we don't actually use that anymore. We just message it over to the yeah. So these changes are the same, and then wait, what's the? Oh yeah. Okay, so there's this change here was just the bug that I introduced. Oh, so I guess I should fix it again, right? Oh no, okay, yeah, no, I just won't reintroduce it. I don't have to fix it again. All right, so we right, so that's fine. I was going to change something there, and then I didn't, and all I did instead was to introduce a bug. But okay, we can say, oh yeah, okay. So here's more stuff, and this goes right before the. So this is when we're adding a player. Goes right before the else case, yeah, which indicates. Oops, wait, what? Else, yeah. It goes like right here, except indented. Yeah. And yeah, I guess that is fine and good and stuff. Excuse me. Um, I mean, someday we'll want to convert the player dictionary to be the separated, like, player dictionaries. Alright. Jordan Swag, yeah, oh, yeah, I remember you. You've been here, I forget when you showed up, but you've been here for like the past few weeks. So, yeah. Uh, what's up? um, Alright, so let's continue on. Ever onwards. So what is this lurking business about? EXP. Oh, so, yeah, right. So when we gain experience, we don't care about lurking anymore? We don't do any of this lurking business? Oh, we don't do any of the AQ business, yeah. Alright, so when we add experience, this whole lurking business. Oh, right. This just moves mostly. It doesn't. We're not getting rid of it entirely, but it's mostly like moving out of this area here. So, oh yeah, this level up. So this L up equals 0, and then so in this case, this L up equals the player's new level in case they did level up, and then so we're doing that because this is so at the end of adding experience, we're going to message out. Oh, so what is this LQ? So we're not doing the LQ stuff. Oh right, yeah, we're not doing the LQ stuff here. So I guess I did cut like all the LQ stuff yesterday, but I kind of then blanked on it. I guess I don't know. um, uh, um, oh here, I can help. I'm helping. I'm helping. Alright, excuse me. So, yeah. Right, so I get rid of those things. Yeah, because the LQ is basically like gone from there. And then right, so here at the so the integer level, yeah, once again we're not actually keeping track of the level integer level percentage, so we can get rid of these things. Although we do have to say yeah, no, LPC, right, okay. So this new variable LPC int that we're not really keeping track of here for any particular reason. We're setting as such, and then right, so again, that's how that right, so then at the end, oh wait, no. Oh yeah, this is where we moved the lurking thing to. So the where did we put it though? It goes right after right before the huge level percent stuff. So I guess right here. Yeah, it was like this is the part where so it's only, yeah, right, so we didn't have to do we didn't care about lurking earlier because instead we wait till we get to this point and then, alright, so it's not graphics append, it's graphics message.put, and then it's, yeah, so it's all of this data, and then if this level up equals 0, global A, wait, we're still using the AQ here? No, we're not. That's a lie. Okay. Yeah, so that's good. And then what's next? So we got rid of references to DQ. Yeah, I remember. And then we actually forgot to remove that line, but we've done that now. Carmelist, yeah, we set that up again. And we're sending the message to Twitter half. Okay, this was removal of the part dot whatever. This is also removal of the part. That's the stuff that we just did. When I was talking about like melting conditions, that's what I was talking about. And again here. All right, and then yeah, so we redefined the adventures, and I think I'm just gonna like copy that part wholesale from the script that we had yesterday, because it was mostly still organized, and I spent way too much time like going through that list item by item to do it all again. So copy this. I might change the names, but the definitions will be mostly the same. Where do they even live anymore? I have like no sense of like where anything's positioned in this document anymore. Just because I've shuffled everything around like several times over. All right, so add graphics, adventure, add graphics. Yeah, maybe that's fine. So I'll want to update references to adventure and graphics accordingly. All right, so this is just moving around moving around like the variables and like putting them in their new home. Oh yeah. Transition duration, the 470, 480 thing. So like 470. Oh, okay. No, I did this in both versions of the document yesterday, so I don't have to make this change again because we based this version of the script off of a version of the script that had already had that change made. So that one's nice enough, at least. Transition window. Oh, we just moved that for some reason, but again, I'm pretty sure we made that change. Oh no, that was part of the change. We added that in. Growth paused. Oh yeah, the growth business. Yeah, fine, I'll do it again. So this goes where? This goes, well, like with the other growth stuff, I assume. So like, growth, exp value. Yeah, with this stuff, we'll just have so growth paused time. Whoops, not that. Save that, and then graphics messages. Yeah, I do have to add that and stuff. Graphics messages. Did I forget how much of this is like converted over graphics messages. Yeah. All right. So what about the declaration of graphics messages? I know I'm using it places, but like, am I using it correctly, or is it still not even a thing yet? No, it seems like it's not even a thing yet. So I should probably make it a thing. This is the try accept. Okay, so so in the definition of things here, let's have graphics messages equals q.q. Yeah. And now it is in fact a thing. And so we say put and get. Those are, oh, whoops, this one still says append. Put, this one also says put, or says append, where it should say put. Oh yeah, I was getting a little sloppy. Sloppy and paste. Oh, that one, put. Alright, so far so good. Yep. So good. So good. Oh yeah, we can get rid of this print, because, we might have gotten rid of it already. We definitely don't need it anymore. Oh, next adventure coin? Wait. No, that's not actually supposed to change. Okay, so type 4, did we get rid of that? Yeah, we got rid of that print already. Okay. So, right. So this was the whole big change thing, blah blah blah. And like, it's not going to be an easy way to like redo that exactly. Like the diffs are like very subtle and masked by the fact that I also moved it to a different position in code, like a different position in the script. Excuse me. Sorry. Um, the what is this? Oh yeah, this is me getting rid of a thing that just wasn't really necessary anymore. Um, so where was this? This is when like Pev create time. Uh, no, not here. The other place. No, the other place. Yeah, this place. Uh, yeah, right. This one, I just got rid of this for I and range. Wait, no. No, this is the thing that I just rewrote today. I got rid of the old thing. Yeah. Okay. Oh, so maybe this thing that I wrote today, maybe that's not necessary. Uh, hmm. Well, we'll see. I mean, it couldn't hurt. Okay. So, graphics messages, extend, oh no, so this is an extend, this is put, but I don't think there's like a extend version of put, so I'll just break it into two things instead. Doo-doo-doo. So, yeah, and then, so I'll just put them both on. One by one. Yeah. Like so. And, um, so, save this, and then, let's lay some more bricks. I want some more bricks. Brick time. Bricking it up. Uh, sorry. It's just really important, you guys. Here, I'll move this over so we can see the bricklaying, even while we're looking at this other stuff. Okay. Oh yeah, the growth pause business. Ah, yeah. Whatever. I'll do the growth pause business again. Growth paused, yeah, whatever. I did, whatever. All right. GM active equals false. Is this, wait, let's start at the top. All the references to GM active equals false.